Ka India ba ka Pakistan ha ka shpau tri ujemang arajar rapusan kila shime karai ban sangen o shwai ka jinge sian ne ka jinge ther mar kliang. Pada kini lepas menado Foreign Secretary kari India Vikram Misri habai keren bikin pakai kubor. Ula pentep ya kini ha ka shpau tri ujemang ha ka por lai pusan no paisngi. Bau Director General ka Military Operations kari Pakistan belekran badu Director General of Military Operations kari India ban penpau bade ban pun kot no ya kejing kenat apa dengan kini arri. Kumta beberapa arti kiri le menjur ban sangi no ekono kejing siat ne kinu ikam da ki bor sipai la ka ya kendo ha ne hasun. Ngadok keporsan bejajan miat jok shpau tri ujemang. Boleh thoro bagi Director General ke Military Operation ke India dan Pakistan kini keren biang hak kat arterik ujemang hak por kat arba jemensni. Banch pinkan mau ke India kalau ther tengah lagi 6 ding ya kitam juga leno ke bulan ke Jaka ke Jammu ke Kashmir ke bahab apa ke Pakistan pada keleng ke benta jong ke Pakistan aduk ke nyau terik ujemang. Bakum tak kena kejingkan art tanang beteng hak ke Pakistan ru kalau ther napang lagi kuli ke 6 ding bat ki drone. Ikijaka ke badan Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, bat Punjab, dari kini lala bantem no adik sipai dari India. Nakaliang Presiden dari Amerika Donald Trump lato kerensan social media bagari Amerika kala banwan ra ikijingi sok ke India bat Pakistan, bat menaru walaupun sangat mardo ikijingi siat apedeng kini ki arri.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have a very brief statement to make. Following that, as you know, there will be a briefing by my colleagues from the military. The Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours. Thank you.